We're going to learn how we can install the plugins in Nuvio app. Now the plugins adding feature for Nuvio is only available on the GitHub version of Nuvio, particularly the older versions of Nuvio like 1.4.4. So if you don't have the older version of Nuvio app from GitHub, just go to the video link in description and download and install the Nuvio app. This video is made just for educational and demonstration purposes only. Let's launch the Nuvio app. And you're going to reach to settings and scroll down on the settings. You're going to tap on the content and discovery. And here you'll get the plugins option. And here are several sections like enable plugins, repository configuration, available plugins, additional settings, etc. We're gonna expand the repository configuration. Once you've done that, you'll get the enable plugins option and repository configuration. Tap on add new repository. And here you'll get the URL format of the plugins that you have to add. Most important thing to note here is that all the plugins repository URL and with manifest.json. Only the plugins from GitHub are supported. So just to give you a demonstration, I'll first find the plugins and copy the repository URL of the plugin and come back here. Launch any browser that you have. And you're just going to do a Google search for Nuvio plugins. You'll get several sources from where you can add the plugins. You can try this one here, Nuvio plugin library. And here you have got several plugins. Just for test and demonstration, I'll be copying the plugin repository URL of the first one. Urix. It's been copied. If you see here, the source is from GitHub. So we're going to go back to the plugin adding section of the Nuvio app and just input the repository. As you can see, the plugin repository URL ends with manifest.json. I'm adding this repository just for test and demonstrations. Add. Once again add. And thus the repository has been added and the plugins have been loaded. Okay. Once the repository has been added, here's the switch to enable that repo. You can disable or just enable it. And this is the master switch here to enable or disable all the plugins. If you switch it off, all the plugins will be disabled. Let's collapse these sections, repository configuration, enable plugins. Now you can expand the available plugins. And from here, you can enable or disable the plugins that you like. You can just subscribe the channel to get more contents like this.